my name's Imogen. I'm from Baby Sensory, Hello Baby and Toddler Sense, and today we're going to be doing a play at home how-to video. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you how to make your very own Patmat, which are really exciting and really stimulate lots of imagination. So what you'll need are some laminating pouches. I've got some A5 ones here, but you can also do it in A4 as well, which I'll demonstrate with a little bit later. Also need some ready mixed paint, so we've got some different colours here. We've got yellow, purple, and a pink one here as well. You can add other things in there if you want to, so we've got some glitters that you might like to introduce, and also I've picked up some metallic kind of shapes like kind of birthday kind of confetti. So what you need to do, you need to have an iron ready as well. So firstly, if you take your laminating pouch, that's it, and firstly you need to just make sure you know which end is already sealed, okay? You can use a piece of cloth, just check, you might want to test it first, but you just iron one side, okay, and make sure that it's nice and firm. And even though that end's already sealed, I would highly recommend that you seal it anyway, so nothing could come out. And then you do the third edge, like so. That's it. And then what you'll find is that you've then got this opening here. You can open that. Doesn't want to do it now. Oh, there we go. And it opens up like that. So all you need to do is then, what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to lob my paint in. A nice squirt in there. I'm going to do a nice yellow as well. Squirt that in there as well. I might actually add some of these lovely kind of balloons too. So bear with me. Oh, those in there as well. And then what you can do is just iron the top one down as well. And that is your Patmat made. Now it doesn't look like much at the moment, but what babies will do, they will love putting their hands, and what happens is that all those lovely colours start mixing together. Can you see that? Now these are ones that I did the other day. That one, so the paint's all mixed in like now. And also this is one with water, and the water's actually changed colour, changed to pink. Look at all those lovely things in there as well. But obviously they provide lots of wonderful benefits for your babies as well, teach them about cause and effect, stimulate curiosity, help with developing those flat hands as well, as they kind of pat on the mat, which is really important for later skills such as picking up a pencil, picking up a pen, and also kind of threading later on as well. So it really helps to develop those fingers and those hand muscles as well, and they're really good fun. Babies absolutely love looking at them too. Also helps to develop flexibility in those fingers and also the thumb as well, which is really important for crawling. Again, that requires kind of flat hands as well. But this is such a wonderful kind of activity, and you can get creative with baby, and you can fill them with lots of fascinating things as well. I think this one's probably my favourite, water and these lovely glittery items. But enjoy making, and happy patting all. We'll see you soon. Bye.